We're kind of a fighting nation, like we're known for having good boxers and all that, and now we're known for having the best MMA fighters in the world.
I think the Irish in general have a very kind of fighting spirit, possibly to do with, you know, the years of oppression and the many kind of like the fights with Great Britain. We just have a very kind of competitive spirit, a very warrior spirit about us.
It inspires you to be around Conor in the gym. It's just being around guys like that in the gym that have had that kind of success obviously drives you on, and you see how successful they are, and it makes you believe, you know.
I think mixed martial arts and the whole kind of UFC explosion came along at the perfect time when the country was in a kind of dark place, you know, economic recession and that kind of thing, and it was something to be hopeful for, something to be proud of. These kids from Dublin who were just working in little sheds in the cold and damp and, you know, just had a dream, and we worked hard and we're successful now. And I think that's the big thing for people, to show people that hard work does pay off and you can achieve your dreams if you work hard for it. I think that's something that the Irish people definitely got behind.
I'm leading with my right hand, I go to throw it. Just going to skip out of the way of it.
It's the mecca of MMA in the world, I consider it as anyway. It's just the spot where it all gets done. Like, look at the champions that train here, the calibre of fighters that train here. Like, so I think that speaks for itself, really. You know what I mean? I don't have to back it up.
We all support each other. We've all come up together. There was a point when we were training in sheds and cold, damp places with no heating, and we didn't know where this was going to go or how good it was going to become. And definitely on the fight team anyway, we've definitely kept that family atmosphere of looking out for each other.
I left school when I was 13, and ever since then I've just been every day telling myself I have to make this my living no matter what, because I've nothing else to go back on. I've no like college certificates or school or anything like that. Like, I didn't do no tests or anything like that, so I wouldn't be able to just walk into a job and get a job somewhere. Fighting is my life, and if I wasn't able to fight, I don't know what I'd be doing now. I don't even watch telly, like, can't read a book, just nothing. My mind is just on fighting.